So a few weeks ago, you saw me plant these a new way. What I tried to do is, well, not what I tried to do, but what I did was I planted them halfway in the dirt. These are two types of sweet potatoes. This purple one is called blue. As you can see, the blue took off. These are all the slips that I have so far. And this is coming from, looks like 5 potatoes. And over here, you had the regular sweet potatoes. They haven't really done much yet. I always heard that they operate a little slower than the purple. So here's what the blue looked like so far. I did not expect thick vines like this. Look how thick those vines are. Or should I say slips? Some real thick slips. So if I plant these, this is where it's gonna start rooting, right here at this node right here, and any nodes at the bottom or roots. That's where the sweet potatoes will start vining off. So I probably will plant this once I pull it off. If there's no roots at the bottom, I'll plant it up to here, right? And I had the roots start from there. So this is what we have so far. See you in the field when we start putting them in the dirt. Look at that root right there. See those roots?